Hi everybody, my name is Melissa Welsh. I'm the founder of PixelSense and a professional photographer. Today I'm going to give you a quick demo of the free Price a Photo app by PixelSense. So for those of you that don't know, what the app does is it gives you the industry low, high, and average price for each of the 18 main photo category uses. The pricing data we used was compiled from numerous resources from all around the world, and then it was simplified with the PixelSense pricing method. If you're unfamiliar with that, the PixelSense pricing method is based on the idea that every single pixel has a value. And in this app, each pixel is valued in cents. So the way that the app works is that you're going to come through here and pick out the category of use that is requested by your client. Or perhaps if you are a wedding or portrait photographer, you may come in to figure out exactly what you should be charging for your digital files. For the sake of this demo, let's go into social media. So for social media files, one of the most common types of use is for Instagram. So we'll put in the pixel length of 1080, and the app automatically shows you what the average price is for that type of photo use. So the average price for a photo on Instagram right now is $64.80. You can scroll down to find the low side, or you can scroll up to find the high. Now keep in mind that these license fees are just the fee for your intellectual property. They don't include any production fees or cost of goods sold. Now, in the case of a photo for Instagram, there probably are no cost of goods sold. But if it was something else, you could go in and you could add a production amount. And then it asks you if you want to calculate a bulk discount. So in the case of Instagram, maybe somebody's going to license 10 photos. So we would say yes, and we're going to offer them a 30% discount. Okay, and there it gives you your final fee for that type of photo use. Now wait, I almost forgot. If you find yourself in a situation where you have no idea what you should be charging in this range, for example, here we're looking at a photo for annual report, okay? So a 10-inch, maybe it's the cover page. We'll go 12 inches for the cover. And you have no idea where you should be on this range. You feel like this is good information, 288, but you really don't know if that's what you should be charging or if you should be on the lower end of the scale or the higher end of the scale. If you take a second to click on these little question marks, you'll find some instructions and a little bit more info on each one of these areas. And here you're going to find a link, which is the most important part. So for a full list of the things to consider, click here. So this link is going to take you to a page on the PixelSense website, which is going to walk you through all the things to consider when you decide exactly where in this range you should be. Now, if all else fails and you still are completely clueless because it's a really difficult job or something like that, I've set up a free Facebook group, Build a Better Photography Business. Now, if you go back to that email that I sent you when you signed up for the app, and if you haven't signed up for the app, make sure you sign up for the app. I'll send you an email with a link to that group. You can join that group, and at any time, if you have any pricing questions, make sure you just ask, and I'll do my best, or some of the other members of the community will do their best to help point you in the right direction. My goal here at PixelSense is to help photographers around the world be fairly compensated for their work, and this is my contribution. So if there's anything that I can do to help you along your path, or if you have any ideas for how we can make the app better, please let me know. Jump in that Facebook group, introduce yourself, and I look forward to chatting with you. Cheers!